Another day, another story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the best cryptocurrencies for different types of consumers. With so many options out there, it can be overwhelming to figure out which one is right for you. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Best cryptocurrencies for different consumers. Let's start with the first group, investors. If you're looking to invest in cryptocurrencies for the long term, then you want to look for coins with a strong track record and a solid roadmap for the future. One of the most popular options is Bitcoin, which has been around for over a decade and has proven to be a stable investment over time. Other options include Ethereum, which has a strong community and is the foundation for many decentralized applications, and Binance Coin, which is backed by one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Next up, we have consumers who want to use cryptocurrencies for everyday transactions. In this case, you want to look for coins with fast transaction speeds and low fees. One of the best options here is Litecoin, which is often called the silver to Bitcoin's gold. It has fast transaction speeds and lower fees than Bitcoin, making it a great option for everyday use. Another good choice is Ripple, which is designed specifically for cross-border payments and has partnerships with many banks and financial institutions around the world. For consumers who are interested in privacy and security, there are several coins to choose from. One of the most popular options is Monero, which uses advanced cryptography to protect the privacy of its users. Other options include Zcash and Dash, which also offer strong privacy features. Finally, we have consumers who are interested in new and emerging technologies. In this case, you want to look for coins that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the cryptocurrency space. One of the most exciting options here is Cardano, which is designed to be a more secure and sustainable alternative to Ethereum. Another interesting choice is Polkadot, which is designed to connect different blockchain networks together and enable them to work seamlessly with each other. And there you have it, some of the best cryptocurrencies for different types of consumers. Of course, there are many other options out there, so it's important to do your research and find the one that's right for you. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments below. See you in the next video.